Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the exciting world of becoming a travel agent. Whether you're passionate about exploring new destinations or helping others plan their dream vacations, this career path offers endless opportunities for adventure and fulfillment. So, let's embark on this journey together. First things first, let's talk about the different types of travel agents. From leisure travel to corporate bookings, there are various niches within the industry. You can specialize in group tours, luxury travel, adventure trips, or even niche markets like ecotourism or wellness retreats. Find your passion and carve your niche. Now, if you're ready to kickstart your journey to becoming a certified travel agent, look no further than TBO Academy. With a wide range of certification courses, TBO Academy equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in the travel industry. From destination expertise to booking systems training, these courses provide a solid foundation for your career and have no cost attached to them. So, without wasting any time, head to tboacademy.com and kickstart your journey to become a travel agent. Once you've completed your certification, it's time to take the next step. Registering yourself on leading travel booking platforms, tboholidays.com and travelboutiqueonline.com. These platforms offer a user-friendly interface, extensive inventory, and competitive pricing, making it easier for you to make reservations and plan unforgettable experiences for your clients. Signing up is simple. Just visit the websites, fill out the registration form with your details, and voila! You'll gain access to a plethora of travel products and services, including flights, hotels, tours, and more. Plus, with comprehensive customer support and training resources, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed. If you want a detailed video on how to register on Travel Boutique Online and TBO Holidays, comment down below and let us know. And there you have it, folks! Becoming a travel agent is not just a job, it's a passport to endless possibilities. So, if you're ready to turn your wanderlust into a career, follow these steps and start your journey today. Bon voyage!